welcome back to our channel. Today we're here at the Whitby Public Library and let's see what they have to offer us. Hi, this is Erin. She's one of the staff that works here at the Whitby Public Library, and she's going to be helping us by answering a few questions. So the first question is, how does the library how does it be a fun and special place for kids?
Oh yeah, absolutely, in lots of different ways. So we have more than just like tablets and computers. Mm-hmm. We have books that you can borrow, which everybody knows about, but other things people might not know is that we have discovery kits. Have you ever borrowed one of those before?
Yeah, I used those before.
They're pretty cool. So we have them all sorts of different kinds. There's ones that are like STEM-based with like toys in them. There's ones for like adults that they can use for the house. There's like a sewing machine. We have like 50 of them online. So those are fun. We also have our discovery zones upstairs. So there's a 3D printer, there's a sound booth, there's a button maker, a laminator, a Cricut, a whole bunch of stuff. And then we also have movies and audiobooks and all those types of things that you can borrow that people might not know about.
Okay. And the second question is, how does the library help kids explore their interests other than phones and tablets and video games?
Good question. So my suggestion would be, if you want to find something to do other than your phones or your tablet or your video game, go to one of my information desks and just talk to the librarian about what you like to do. So they'll help you find a book if that's what you want. They'll help you find an activity. We could even find you a nonfiction book about something that you like. So learning how to play an instrument or creating a craft or something like that. So come ask us, tell us what you like, and we'll help you find something fun to do.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
The library offers a thing called a play date with the book, where they wrap the book in a mysterious cover and they give a brief description about it. And you can find out a book that you like. And if you never know it, this might become your new favorite book. They have different colors for different people. So pink is ages 1 to 2, green is ages 3 to 5, yellow 6 to 8, blue, teen, and adult, and more. I usually take the blue because I'm 11. I love opening these books. And also, you can also write a review about it to see if you liked it or not. One of my favorite stations is the game board section, where you can just borrow a few game boards and then keep them for the week. You don't even have to buy them, and you can have fun, lots of them. This section is called the staff pick session. The staff picks out a book they really like. So if you can never find a book that you want to read, just come over here and I'm sure you're going to find a good book. You can also reserve some books and you can just find them here. My favorite part of the library is the kids' fiction. There are rows and rows of books. The checkout is also so easy. You just have your barcode, scan it, and put the book on. And when you're done, just do note done